Okay guys, I welcome you guys again to another video. In this video I will review to you how to create multiple Gmail accounts without using a phone number. Yes, and it works perfectly, guys. So if today is your first time tuning into this channel, do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification sign, and please subscribe and turn on your notification sign so you don't miss it whenever I drop an amazing tutorial video like this. So once you do this, make sure you open your Chrome browser. So once you open your Chrome browser, and make sure that you logged into your Chrome browser. That's why you're seeing this J in capital letter, because I've actually logged in with this Chrome browser. So once you log in, now you go to your Chrome browser search bar, you search for Google Clouds skill boost. So this is what you will search. You search for Google Cloud skills boost. So once you search, you click on this first option showing here. Do not forget that what we want to do is to create Gmail account, working Gmail account without phone number. So once this has opened like this, you click on this first link you are seeing here. So once you click, automatically it will redirect you. So let's exercise patience for this to load. Good. So once this has gotten you to this page, all you need to do is just to head over to this part that says sign up. Just head over to this part that says sign up. So click on this sign up. So once you click on sign up, you don't need to create anything. Just click on sign in with Gmail. Sorry, sign in with Google. So once you click sign in with Google, automatically it will bring your existing Gmail, like the ones you've logged into this account. Do you understand? Good. So you need to just select the one you want to use. So I will just select a random Gmail. So once you click on continue button that is here, which is this continue option. Now as you can see, you need to agree to all these terms. If you want to read, you can actually read them from start to finish, but all this stuff is just the rules and regulation guiding this. So all you need to do is just to take it to the extreme end. Can you see all these things, are phone number and the rest of that? Now put in your date of birth. So this, I think I'll be using 3rd. Then here I think I'll be using, let me just use 2000. That's the random date of birth. Then after that, you click I am not a robot. Then click the motorcycle. Then after that, you click on verify. Can you see it has been verified? Then you click on this part to agree. So once you click on this part, now this is what you will see. I have logged in automatically to this website. So this is what we need to do. So we need to click to this explore, but first let me change it to English language. Expert confirm. Now it's now in English, so you click on this explore button above here. Please look. So once you click on this export button above here, then on this part that says filter by, leave this, then search for this part that says lab. So once you click on this lab, automatically the other parts will reload by himself. So let's go down and see if we can see something else. So after you've clicked on, so as you can see, it has loaded. After you select lab, you have all these options. So the part you need to select is this part that says a tour to Google Cloud sustainability. So once you click on this part, let's see where it will take us to. Now automatically this is the final stage. Now for you to get your email, all you need to click is just this part that says lab starting. Once you click on this lab starting, automatically this particular website will generate a Gmail account, a working Gmail and password for you. Do you understand? So let's exercise patience for this stuff to generate this for us. So let me click on it again. Now you select confirm that you're not a robot. So after confirming that you're not a robot, automatically a working Gmail account and password will be generated for you automatically. Very easy and to the point. So please subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments, and lastly turn on your notification sign so you don't miss it whenever I drop an amazing tutorial video like this. So let me refresh. I'm not a robot. Can you see? So it's loading. No, now automatically this is our email. This stuff has generated email and password for us. So all we need to do now is just to copy this. This is our email. Are you seeing it? So once you copy this email, all you need to do to prove to you guys that yes, this email is actually working. So let me go to YouTube and add an account. Do you understand? So once I come to YouTube, okay, now so this is it. All I need to do is just come here and add another account. I want to add an account, so I have to click here. Are you seeing it? Then here now let me add another account. So let me switch account. So once I come to switch account, I have to click on this add account. So once I click on add account, now this pops up. I have to paste the email that I've copied from here. So this is the email. Then I have to click on next. Then they will ask me to put the password, so I have to come here. Then this is the password. Can you see? Copy the password, then come back to this part, place the password here. This is the password. Then I have to click on sign on next. So as you can see, automatically welcome to your new account. Can you see this account automatically has opened? So all I have to click is just I understand. Then after clicking now, can you see continue in new Google Chrome? No thanks, I don't want to continue with new Google Chrome. So this is it, thanks. Now automatically I have been able to sign into this account. I seen this. So now if I should click on this account, you will be seeing that the same name here is the same name you will actually see here. Can you see student +01? And coming to this part, that's exactly you are seeing here, student 01. So this is just how you can actually create what a working email account without using phone number or anything. It works perfectly, and you can use this email on anything. When I mean anything, you can use it on anything. So all I expect you do is if today is your first time tuning into this channel, do well to like, subscribe and share this video. Yes, very important. Thanks and bye bye for now guys. I love you all.